Are you looking for the best slide projector? In this video we will look at some of the best slide projector on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. LED-lighted illuminated 35mm slide. The LED-lighted illuminated 35mm slide viewer is an advanced tool designed for viewing 35mm slides with enhanced clarity and convenience. Equipped with a premium quality genuine glass lens, this viewer ensures high-quality optics for optimal viewing. The lens provides 2x magnification, allowing users to examine every detail of slides and films without distortion or blurriness. One of the standout features of this device is its lightweight and portable design, making it easy to carry in a pocket and use both in a studio setting or at home. Its portability ensures that users can conveniently view their 35mm slides wherever they go. In terms of usability, the LED-lighted illuminated 35mm slide viewer is highly user-friendly. It operates on 2 AA batteries, which are included, ensuring a hassle-free setup. To use the viewer, simply insert the batteries, press the slide into the viewer, and activate the viewer to illuminate the slide for a clear and vibrant viewing experience. This straightforward operation adds to the convenience and accessibility of the device. Number 2. Kodak Mini Digital Film. The Kodak Mini Digital Film Scanner is an impressive all-in-one device designed to facilitate the digitization of old film formats. It offers a compact and convenient solution for scanning, viewing, editing, converting, and saving various film negatives and slides, including 135, 126, 110, Super 8, and monochrome film. With this device, users can transform their old pictures into high-quality, sharp, clear, and detailed color or black and white JPEG files. One of the standout features of the Kodak Mini Digital Film Scanner is its multiple adapters, providing maximum compatibility and ease of conversion. These adapters are designed for fast and continuous loading, improving the quality of the scanned images up to an impressive 14/22 megapixels. Users can also adjust brightness, color, and reverse/flip settings to achieve the desired output. The device incorporates an updated user interface, featuring a 2.4-inch LCD screen that enhances user interaction. Dedicated scan and home buttons ensure easy one-press scanning and quick menu navigation. Additionally, users can view and edit their current slide or gallery pictures directly on the color display. The internal memory of the device can hold up to 128 megabytes of data. Number 3. DIGITNO 35mm Slide. The DIGITNO 35mm slide viewer is a compact and user-friendly device designed to facilitate the viewing and magnification of 35mm slides, films, and negatives. It incorporates a built-in magnifier that can magnify the images by 3 times without causing distortion, blurriness, or loss of details. The magnifier also ensures bright and uniform lighting, eliminating any color cast. This portable viewer is suitable for both 2x2 mounted slides, which need to be inserted into the back of the viewer, and 35mm film and negatives. It offers the convenience of battery operation, allowing users to view old slides anywhere. Additionally, it can be powered via a USB cable, which is included with the device. The design of the DIGITNO 35mm slide viewer focuses on ease of use, featuring an eject button and a sliding tray for seamless operation, whether in a studio or at home. The ultra-bright backlit light box provides a large field of view and uses daylight LED lighting to present images in vivid, crystal-clear detail. Number 4. Pana-Vue 6566 Automatic Slide. The Pana-Vue 6566 Automatic Slide Viewer is a compact and convenient device designed for efficiently organizing and viewing slides. This slider has the capability to stack and display up to 36 slides, making it a practical choice for individuals dealing with a substantial slide collection. The operational mechanism of the Pana-Vue 6566 is user-friendly, featuring an easy push-pull operation that facilitates smooth slide handling. The viewer is equipped with a 2 5/8 square viewing screen, enabling users to observe the slides clearly and in detail. One of the standout features of the Pana-Vue 6566 is its integrated 4x magnification lights that illuminate each slide automatically. This illumination enhances visibility and ensures that the details on the slides are effectively highlighted, offering a brilliant viewing experience.